Hey everyone, welcome back. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be reviewing another eco-friendly product, and this is the Morei floor cleaning slices. So join me today. So I've been really wanting to find out more about eco-friendly products and try them out, and this company called Morei on Instagram kindly sent these to me. So today I'm going to be trying them out, and I love that the package actually came inside boxes. They're eco-friendly, so I do expect dissolvable peanuts or cardboard boxes to protect their merchandise. So this was really good about them, and I love the fact that the instructions are also at the back. The instructions are very simple and straightforward. Basically, just put this into your bucket, and yep, and it's just going to dissolve. The fragrances, the ingredients, it does say bioenzymes, fragrance essential oils and stuff. I'll probably have to do more research to find out what those are. But yeah, and it says that it's kills 99.9 antibacterial, remove stains, and yeah, you know what, I'm just going to try it out and see how well it works. So the sheet itself feels very, very soft, and smells like detergent, and I love that it's small enough to actually fit inside my little cupboard. I know I've still got quite a lot of cleaning products, but it's small enough to actually fit inside the cupboard. And I don't need that big bulky box anymore. I don't need that big bulky plastic bottle. I just take out the sheet and then take it out, pour it into my into my bucket, and yep. So I love that it's very small and it holds up to 30 sheets. So that's fantastic. So let's try it out. So it says dilute one sheet in 3 liters of water. So we just need 3 liters of water over there and just the one sheet. So let's do it. I'm taking it out now, and again, it smells like laundry detergent. It's so soft and so smooth, and oh my goodness, look how quickly it actually dissolves. I didn't think it was going to be that quick, so that's amazing. So I probably won't need that much time for it to start working, but it does say leave a few minutes before you start mopping. So I'm going to leave that for a few more minutes. But yeah, honestly, I love the smell. It smells like, again, like laundry detergent. It's soft enough, like fabric softener. So I'm excited to see the cleaning power and see how well it works. So I had to put my mop in a few times to see if it's gonna, form up, but it didn't, and that's also okay. I'm actually more interested in the cleaning power and if it's gonna leave my floors clean and sparkling and shiny. So my floors are actually not that bad because I tend to mop my floors twice a week. So I'm gonna have to try and really find a really dirty spot around the floor somewhere and to really see how much it's gonna collect. So give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this type of content. Let me know in the comment section below how often you mop your floors, and put a green leaf emoji at the bottom too, just to let me know that you are still here and you are loving the content. So this is the spot that I've found. I've moved the table leg, and let's see how well this product works, because I don't want to feel like I'm just using water and nice smelling detergent. So yeah, I just really want to see the cleaning power. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything else that was dirty, but just move the table leg and here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little sponge and I'm going to wipe all of that and see how quickly it comes off. So yeah, I'm actually quite impressed with that. So it does a good job. It does its job very well. It does leave the floor very shiny as well. So everywhere that I've been is kind of shiny. So I'm going to continue mopping. Okay, so I've done mopping and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure what that is actually. I think it's the detergent telling me that it's worked because it's all brown and silky, and but I've never come across that before. All I know is that it does look a little bit different for compared to how it started, and I can tell that it's, you know, brown and dirty. So I guess it's worked. Yeah, never come across it before, but I'm glad my floors are sparkling. So I'm just gonna pour everything down the toilet now. And as you can see, the color of the water has changed. It is brown to show that, you know, the floor has been cleaned. You can still see the velvety thing. I've just flushed the toilet just to get rid of everything. You can still see this, the water is still a bit brown because obviously I've not flushed hard. But I'm gonna rinse my bucket and yeah, put everything back. So I'm gonna pour this water again after I've rinsed into the toilet. I love that the packaging is small enough because I don't need these massive bottles. I love the packaging is compostable, and I also love the fact that it's got zero plastic. So in this one sheet, it's just one detergent, like you just use it, and the floors are left shiny. And I think it says 99 bacteria is killed, and yeah, and 30 sheets is quite a lot. So if you want to know more, look on the link below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.